The ultimate goal for universal design for learning is for all learners to become expert learners. And an expert learner is a learner that is resourceful, is knowledgeable, is purposeful, and is also goal directed toward learning. Canvas offers new types of opportunities in the classroom because it provides students with engagement, representation, action, and expression, which all are UDL principles. School systems are switching to Canvas due to its beneficial student and teacher tools. It has unique features that help teachers to make their courses accessible to all students. Canvas for elementary. When we talk about Canvas, we normally think about older students. The Canvas for elementary features a different format, basically different organization that can be very helpful for students to move through the course content. In general, it has the same features, but is a little bit more kid-friendly. Canvas has a very important feature called the Rich Content Editor. The Rich Content Editor helps the instructor or the teacher who is creating a course to be more accessible to students. It has the format font to change the letters. It also has styles. It has the bold and italic letters also underlined, the text color, background color, links where the instructor can use external links or links that are within the same course. It has also a way to attach images, and it has a media recorder. You can use the Rich Content Editor to record video and audio media inside of Canvas without having to involve an external tool. Not only the instructor can use all these resources or all these tools, but also students if they want to submit any kind of project or homework, and they can also download media, or they can also use audio instead of writing. The Rich Content Editor also includes an accessibility tool that checks common accessibility errors within the editor. This tool can help you design course content while considering accessibility. When you click in the accessibility tool, you will find a box with accessibility checker, and it will show you all the errors that you need to correct to make your course more accessible. Canvas also offers interactive experiences with languages. It has a translator for non-native English speakers and for those English speakers trying to learn a language. It also has a screen reader that is called Immersive Reader. Canvas and Americans with Disabilities Act Section 508 standards. According to these standards, Canvas has different features that help people with low vision or without vision. It has, as I mentioned before, the screen reader that is also called the Immersive Reader. There's also a way to magnify the screen for people who have limited vision. In the 504 authority tools, Canvas also has a way of create headings, lists, or add alternative text to images. And as I mentioned before, Canvas has a built-in accessibility checker within the Rich Content Editor. Canvas has many features that promote the use of different multiliteracies, benefiting all students, including multilanguage students.